Now, let us watch the second game of the match between Predator Spartans team opening player Nawaz and Predator Marshals team second player Surya. Who will win this game? Who will stop whom? Remember, Nawaz has already won the first game. If he wins here, he will be just one step away from becoming today's hat trick hero. On the board, we have Nawaz, the 11-time hat trick hero, playing the white, and Surya Young Scholar Wadi on the black. Both players are ready. Surya hits the clock and the game 2 begins. Nawaz plays pawn to e4. Surya replies with knight to c6. Pawn to d4. White grabs center early, setting the tone. Knight to f6. Surya develops quickly, eyeing the e4 pawn. Pawn to c4. Center is expanding, pressure rising. Pawn to e6. Solid move by Surya, closing lines, preparing to challenge the center later. Knight to c3. Pawn to d5. That's the strike in the middle. The board is opening up. Pieces will clash. Pawn captures pawn on d5. Pawn captures pawn on d5. Simple recapture keeping balance in the center. Pawn to e5. Nawaz pushes forward, gaining space and kicking the knight. Knight to d7. The knight retreats but stays connected. This is not passive, it's flexible. Surya wants to regroup for counterplay. Patience is the key here. Bishop to e3. Develop continues smoothly. The bishop eyes key diagonals. Game is moving toward the first real storm. Pawn to f6. Bold. Surya challenges immediately. Center tension about to explode. Pawn captures pawn on f6. Queen captures pawn on f6. Surya's queen joins the action early. Knight to f3. Nawaz jumps in, hitting the queen instantly. The tempo is huge here. White doesn't allow breathing room. Queen must decide carefully. Run, defend, or counter. Pressure on the clock. Audience whispers grow louder. This kind of position where one misstep ends the game. Now Surya plays giraffe to e6. Bishop to e3. White calmly develops again. He is not rushing, just tightening control. Giraffe captures knight at f3. Bishop captures giraffe at f3. Immediate recapture, keeping the balance. Trade helps white structure. No hesitation, that's a clear plan. Giraffe A to d6. Pointing at Nawaz King's side, the diagonal pressure is dangerous, castling on knight side. Finally, Nawaz tucks the king away safely. Rook enters the game. Structure looks strong now. Audience breathes lighter for white, but pressure is still lurking on diagonals. Giraffe captures bishop at e3. Pawn captures giraffe at e3. That hurts structure, but open files too. Now both kings will feel heat. No turning back. This is a wall. Crowd claps for fighting the spirit. Bishop to d6. Eyeing White's king once more. Bishop to h5. A little poke on the other side, trying to stretch the defenses. Psychological pressure is building. King to f8. The king steps aside from the threats. Audience puzzled, defensive, or a trap. Sometimes these moves save lives. Players look tense now, energy shifting again, clock ticking, nerves tested. Knight captures pawn on d5. Sharp move by Nawaz, grabbing material. King knight becomes a spear in the center. Danger for Surya increases. White's confidence is showing. Applause breaks out in the hall. Queen captures rook on f5, and that's a check. Queen captures queen on f1. What a cool reply under the fire from Nawaz. No panic, just precision. Attack fizzles instantly. White still in control. Crowd roars at the defense. Knight at f6. Surya tries one more to stir chaos. Knight jumps, guarding squares. Last attempt to fight back, but Nawaz looks calm. Vote tilts towards the finish. Spectators leaning forward again. Is there still hope? The knight looks active, but is it enough? Pressure keeps mounting. This may be the last stand. All eyes on Nawaz's next move. We see Nawaz playing the knight captures knight at f6. Pawn captures knight at f6. Exchange done, but pawn looks weak now. Lines are opening wide. Queen captures pawn on f6, and that's a check. King to g8. Surya is forced back, little shelter left. Crowd is sensing the end. Queen to f7, and that's checkmate. What a superb checkmate win by Nawaz. Surya is out. The Protector Marshals lose their second player with this victory. Nawaz now has two wins in a row. He needs just one more to complete his hat trick and become the hat trick hero of today's great match. What an incredible performance by Nawaz by defeating in just 37 moves.